What if I told you that 5 free AI tools completely changed the way I run my Etsy print-on-demand business? No paid subscriptions, no complicated software, just 5 tools I open up literally every single day. And today, I'm ranking them from good to absolute game changers. Stick around, because number 1 on this list is the one that most Etsy sellers are sleeping on, and it's 100% free. Hi, welcome back. If you're new here, this channel is all about building real income with Etsy print on demand, and I share the exact tools, strategies, and workflows that I use to run my shop. Today, we're doing something a little different. I'm going to break down my top 5 free AI tools, ranked from 5 to 1, and I'm going to tell you exactly how I use each one specifically for my print on demand business. These aren't just cool tech toys, these are tools that save me hours every week and every day, and they genuinely make my shop better. So let's count it down. Kicking things off at number 5 is Google, Gemini, or Nano Banano, whatever you want to call it. Now Gemini, or Nano Banano, is Google's lightweight AI model, and it's built directly into certain Android devices. Coming in at number 4 is ChatGPT. Yes, you've probably heard of ChatGPT. You might already be using it. But I want to talk about how I use it specifically for my Etsy print-on-demand shop, because most sellers aren't using it to its full potential. Here's what I use ChatGPT for every week. First, niche research. I'll prompt it with something like, give me 20 niches on Etsy for print-on-demand products in 2026 that have passionate buyers but low competition. The ideas it spits out are genuinely useful starting points. Second, I use it for listing copy. I use ChatGPT to write first drafts of my Etsy product descriptions. I give it the product, the niche, and a few keywords, and it gives me a solid draft I can tweak in about 2 minutes. Third, tag and keyword brainstorming. I'll describe my product and ask it to generate 20 Etsy search tags. Super fast, super useful. I could then copy and paste those into my Etsy listing based off of demand. As a reminder, I use tools like EverBee to validate demand. If you're following along, I have a link in my description below. I strongly suggest checking out. They have a free plan as well as a monthly plan. It's like $9 a month, I think. But it's a tool I use for all my Etsy research. So why is it only number 4? Because for Etsy SEO and design work, the tools ranked above it are just more specialized and more powerful for our specific use case. But ChatGPT is still in my daily rotation, without question. Number 3, and this one is a favorite in the print-on-demand community, Kittle. If you haven't heard of Kittle, let me introduce you to your new best friend. Kittle is a design tool built specifically for print-on-demand sellers. Think of it like Canva, but made for print-on-demand. It has templates, fonts, graphics, mock-up tools, all designed with Etsy sellers in mind. Here's how I use it. When I'm creating a new t-shirt or mug design or candles or whatever it is, I open up Kittle, I pick a template from my niche, I customize the text and colors, and I've got a print-ready design in under 10 minutes. No design degree required. What makes it stand out over the generic tools is that the templates are already sized correctly for print-on-demand products. So you're not guessing about canvas sizes or DPI, it's just already built in. The free plan is genuinely very usable. You've got access to a solid library of fonts and graphics without paying a cent. If you're still making your designs in basic Canva without print-on-demand specific templates, you need to try Kittle this week. It hits number 3 because it's purpose-built for exactly what we do. And that specifically saves serious time. Number 2, Ideogram. Okay, this one might surprise you if you haven't used it yet. Ideogram is a free AI image generator, and what makes it so special compared to other AI tools is that it's incredibly good at text inside of images, like shockingly good. For Etsy print-on-demand sellers, this is massive. Here's my exact workflow. I go to Ideogram, I type in a prompt like a vintage style t-shirt graphic with the words dog mom life, surrounded by paw prints and wildflowers. distress texture, earthy tones, and within seconds I have a print-ready design concept. I use Ideogram to generate design inspiration, full graphic elements, and sometimes complete designs that I bring into Kittle to refine and finalize. The text rendering alone puts it above almost every other free AI image tool on the market. If you've ever used other AI generators and been frustrated by garbled or broken text in the image, Ideogram solves that problem. And their free tier is genuinely pretty generous. You get a solid number of image generations per day without spending anything. It sits at number 2 because it directly produces assets I use in my shop. Real, tangible output that turns into real listings. And the number 1 free AI tool that I use every single day for my Etsy print-on-demand business is Claude. I know, a lot of people default to the ChatGPT and never look further. But once you try Claude for Etsy-specific tasks, it's really hard to go back. Here's what makes Claude different for print-on-demand sellers specifically. The writing quality is on another level. When I ask Claude to write an Etsy product description, it doesn't just give me keyword stuff fillers. It writes copy that actually sounds like a human would talk, naturally, and it still hits the right search terms. My conversion rate on listings written by Claude versus ChatGPT is noticeably better. It's also incredible for brainstorming niche angles. I'll describe a product and ask Claude to give me 10 emotional hooks or gift-giving angles for that item, and it comes back with ideas that genuinely make me think differently about how to position my products. I also use it for SEO title formulas. I give Claude my product and a few competitors' titles and ask it to write me 5 optimized title variations. It takes me about 30 seconds and it gives me options I can actually use. On the free plan, Claude is great. It gives you a ton of daily usage. It's more than enough for any print-on-demand seller's needs. It's number 1 on this list because it makes everything I write sharper, faster, and more strategic. And for an Etsy business, your words are your storefront. The better your copy, the more you sell. It's that simple. All right, let's do a quick recap of all 5 ranked. Number 5, Google Gemini, Nano, Banano. They're both the same thing. That's my go-to image generator, kind of like an all-in-one. Number 4 is ChatGPT. It's a very reliable, all-around. It's great for niche research and listing drafts. Number 3 is Kittle. This is a print-on-demand specific design tool that saves you hours. Number 2 is Ideogram, the AI image generator that actually handles text in designs. And number 1 is Claude, the sharpest writing tool and strategy tool for your Etsy shop. The best part? Every single one of them has a free plan. You can start using all 5 today without spending $1. There you have it. That's my full top 5 free AI tools for Etsy print on demand in 2026. If you want to level up your shop, start with Claude for your listing copy and Ideogram for your designs. Just those 2 alone will make a noticeable difference. If this video was helpful at all, please hit the like button. It helps more Etsy sellers like you find this content, and I really appreciate it. And remember to subscribe if you want more weekly tutorials about how to grow your Etsy print-on-demand shop. And drop a comment below. Which of these 5 tools are you already using? And which one are you going to try first? I want to know. I'll see you in the next one.